In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a horizontal line vertical here in Canva. Now, you can literally do this with any type of line, whether it's a Canva line or even a graphic line. Now, for this example, let's use the keyboard shortcut L on the keyboard to bring up a line like this. Now, let's just go ahead and make this a little bit bigger and maybe round the corners just so we can see this. Now, to make this vertical is very simple. We click onto the line and or the graphic. We're then going to come just here to where we see this little icon. Now, when we hover over this, it's going to go purple. We can click on there, hold down, and then we can slowly drag. Now, if we look at the little black box as well, it's going to tell you the degree of the rotation as well. Now, we want to make this horizontal line vertical, so we're going to go minus 90 degrees, just like that. Or if we went the other way, it would just be 90 degrees, just like that. And again, that's 1 degree off, so let's just do that. And again, as I was saying, this can be done with any line that you want, and any line that you want to make vertical. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to make a horizontal line vertical here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.